I feel like my teeth is not clean, or if I know I ate something last night that's like, okay, let me scrub again. You feel me? Tongue, like I'm literally scrubbing my tongue because yeah, you might brush your teeth and you think your brush smell good. You need to brush your tongue. When people say brush your tongue, they mean brush your tongue.
I feel like Scooby-Doo, walk like a dog. Eat the bash like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause he I'll take you far. She drop it too.
Okay, so hey y'all, hey, it's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm in my robe and it's like 9 in the morning, I think. But anyway, I just woke up, but I just got done doing my skincare, my morning skincare. So yeah, and I had to bow our braids out, but that's okay. We got more hang time. But anyway, we're gonna be doing my teeth routine that I just started doing, but it has made a fairly huge difference in the way my teeth look. I just want to show y'all what I do and like what's my routine and stuff like that. So if you like it, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Okay, so the first thing I do is, so I usually go in with my flossers, and I get these from Dollar Tree, and they come in a, you know, the little pack. Well, it ain't Dollar Tree no more, it's Dollar's Tree, $1.25 Tree, whatever you want to call it. But I always go in with my flossers, so it don't matter which one, I just go in here and get it. So I just go in with this and just floss all my teeth, literally floss all of them. I do it at night and in the morning. I just do this same routine. So I'll go in with the flossers, then I'll go in with, this may be crazy, but I don't use toothpaste. I don't use toothpaste. Don't be like, don't do too much, don't do too much, don't do too much. But I stopped using toothpaste. After doing the flossing on all my teeth, I'll go in with my baking soda. Okay, and you can get this from Dollar's Tree, $1.25 Tree, whatever, or you can get it from Walmart. They be having it for like, one box is like 50 cents or 98 cents, I think. I'm not sure, but yeah, I bought a whole pack from Amazon. It came with, I think, 12. I don't know, I'm gonna just have that on the screen somewhere so y'all can see. But yeah, so I got a whole pack of these, so I'm set for a long time. You feel me? A long time. So I just go in with this and I just have it open. And I have my hydrogen peroxide, and I get these from $1.25 store. They $1.25, and this is actually pretty big. This is pretty big. If you wanna, it's pretty big. So yeah, I bought 2 of them because I be using it. So I'll go in with these 2, and I got my toothbrush also from $1.25 store. This one is the firm one. They always out, so I literally just bought a whole bunch. But literally I get the firm one because the soft and the medium one just don't work for me. So I need my stuff to be clean, you hear me? So I just use this, but I'll literally take my brush, run it under the water a little bit just to soften it up, and then go in, dig into this. And this is my personal, so don't nobody else use this but me. So I'll go in, dig in there, make sure some on there, and then I'll put this in my mouth, and then I'll go in. So once I do that, I'll probably do that 1 or 2 times. So I'll just brush, spit it out, dip it again, do the hydrogen peroxide, and do it again. If I feel like my teeth is not clean, or if I know I ate something last night that's like, okay, let me scrub again. You feel me? So I do that, and then once I'm done with that, I'll go in with my toothbrush, a little bit of the baking soda, and then I'll go in again with my hydrogen peroxide and do my tongue. Like, I'm literally scrubbing my tongue because yeah, you might brush your teeth and you think your brush smell good. You need to brush your tongue. When people say brush your tongue, they mean brush your tongue. So I be brushing my tongue, and I go all the way back, the sides, all that. Yeah, and then after I do that, I'll go in with my my tongue scraper, and I got this from Amazon. This is a metal one. You could get them from the Dollar Tree as well. You can get it from there, but I don't like those. I like this one better. This is metal. I like this one better. So I'll just do my tongue, okay, spit it out and do all that, clean this off real good, and then I'll go in with, this is my holy grail, I'll go in with this. Yes, honey, oil pulling. So I'll just put some in the cup. I don't fill it up. I just fill it up to like literally like right here, literally right there, and then just put it in my mouth, gargle it for like, it say at least 2 minutes, and try to work up to 10 minutes. But if I'm in a rush, I'm in a rush, and I'll do the little 2 minutes. But if I have time, like today I got time and I'm off, so today I got time, so yeah. But during the week, I'll, you know, go ahead and take my time sometimes if I get up early. But yeah, I'll grab it with that and literally like walk off somewhere, do something else, and then when I feel like I did it long enough, I'll come back, spit it out, and then I'll go in with my I don't even know what this is called, but that's, I guess that's the brand, I guess, I don't know, but this is what it looked like. It came with different heads, but this is what it looks like, this. And you put the water back here. So I just have water in here, and I also have the Guru, I don't even know how to say the name, but I got this as well. This, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got this. This is the concentrated mouthwash, and it don't have nothing but oils in it and like a little bit of alcohol. So yeah, that's what that got, and it tastes like a mouthwash. So you just put a few drops in there, in the back of here with the water, and I just gargle my mouth, spit it out, and then I'm done. That's all I do. That's literally it. So I'm finna just show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am done with my routine of my mouth, of my teeth, and what I usually do. My face oily now because I just got done doing my moisturizer and all that good stuff on my skin, so it's real oily. Okay, so yeah, y'all, that is it. See these pearly whites? So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, y'all already know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal, so go subscribe, okay? And I have more videos to come, so stay tuned, baby girl. Stay tuned, okay? Looking like a honey glazed biscuit, okay? But yeah, so I've gotten a lot of compliments on my teeth, and it's like people I see every day, but I just personally didn't see no real like results. But we'll see when I go to the dentist. So, but I did get a few people say like, your teeth is really white. I'm like, no it ain't. And I asked my boyfriend, he was like, yeah, your teeth is whiter than the normal like average person. I'm just like, okay, so I don't need to get no veneers. Okay, I see you. And that's my whole goal, to like fix my teeth, my original teeth, before they start messing up later on. Let me fix them, you know what I'm saying? So I did get rid of all 4 of my wisdom teeth all at one time. True gangster, you feel me? So I did get rid of those, and I said to myself, let me get rid of those first, because I did have pain in all 4. So I just decided to get rid of all of them all at one time. We ain't gonna go back to no dentist, no. If y'all want to see that crazy video, Lord have mercy. It's just funny to watch, like, Lord. But yeah, it'll be linked down below. But it's just funny talking, like, thinking about it. But anyway, yeah, so I got rid of all 4 of my wisdom teeth. And then I wound up doing research on, you know, doing research on TikTok, YouTube University, all that good stuff. Yeah, I did some research and I want to do it the natural way. So this is like kind of the natural way that I am going. And it's been working for me. So yeah, I still have sensitivity in my teeth. Once that's gone, baby. But yeah, other than that, like, I don't have no problems with my teeth. Yeah, I really like them. And I literally been doing this for a couple months now. Yeah, I'm gonna say after my procedure, I've been doing this. So like maybe a month after my procedure, so probably like 2 months, 2.5 months I've been doing this, and people been noticing. So y'all better go ahead and get y'all some. Go to the Dollar Tree, go. If you guys like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.